Let me guess. You've got a million things on your plate. A full-time job, a client work, a growing business, or maybe you're just trying to break into the social media world. And between emails, meetings, deliverables, invoices, and honestly, life itself, posting consistently ends up feeling impossible. You're not alone. Growing on social media can feel like a second job. And let's be honest, no one handed you an extra 20 hours to create content and post it. But I promise you this, you don't need 20 hours. You don't even need 10. What you need is a plan. And that's exactly what this video is. I'm going to walk you through the exact weekly framework that I've used to grow on social media just by using 5 hours of my week to plan and create this content. So grab a coffee, open your notes, and stay with me because we're about to build your new content calendar together. Let's go. So let's map it out right here. First things first. You're gonna start by picking 2 platforms. And if you're wondering why I think I need to be everywhere, the answer is no, you don't need to be everywhere. That's literally the perfect recipe for burnout. You literally just have to be strategic. So you're gonna go ahead and pick 2 platforms where you think your audience is and where you think your content makes the most sense to be in. And of course, where you think you can show up consistently. So I'm gonna pick just 2 randomly and I'm gonna pick TikTok and Instagram. But again, this is just an example. You can pick the platforms that best suit you. And by the way, if you're not sure which platforms are best for your audience or for your brand, I've got another video that breaks it all down right here. And I'm gonna also leave it linked in the description so you can make that choice with confidence. So now that we've picked our platforms, we're going to talk about what you're going to post. Forget trying to come up with random ideas or following a complicated content formula that shows up on the Reels section of your Instagram. Instead, each week you're going to focus on one theme. Think of it like your own Netflix series. One topic, one story, and one message for the whole week. It could literally be something super specific like, how can I grow on social media when I have 0 time? That's gonna be your focus. So everything that you post that week, carousels, videos, or stories, will answer that one question. These will make your content easier to create, easier to follow, and way more powerful. Now, this is where the fun begins, and this is when we're gonna map out your content. This is where your strategy will become into real posts. What you're going to do is that you're going to create just 6 pieces of content a week, 3 short videos and 3 posts. That's it. Let's start with the videos. On Monday, for example, you're going to post a 30-second video. Face-to-face, nothing fancy. And in here, you're literally gonna say the problem of the week out loud. And I highly recommend you that whenever you're creating this video, you're gonna talk like you would to a friend. For example, hey, if you really wanna grow on social media but have 0 time, I would try this. Or this is what worked for me. And this video will be your opener because you are setting the tone for the whole week. Then, for example, on Wednesday, you're gonna go deeper. Think creating a 60-second video with more detail, more value, and specifically more you. You can share a quick framework or a 3 steps type of video or a mindset shift. Whatever you think will help your audience move forward with that same theme. And for the 3rd video on Fridays, I would keep it short. A 6 to 10 second video with text on screen and a trending sound. That text on screen can be a relatable quote about that same thing that we're talking about that week. Whenever you're creating this short video, think that this needs to be a stop scrolling type of quote or type of tip. That's gonna bring value to your account. Now let's go to the part where we give your audience something that they can save, share, or come back to it later. Carousels. Let's be real. You already have a lot on your plate. Between answering emails, brainstorming content, and wondering why your engagement dropped overnight or disappeared just like your salary the day after you got paid, managing social media can feel like a full-time job. Oh wait, it is. But it doesn't have to be a stressful one. With Metricool, you can schedule posts, approve content, and get automatic reports. So you can focus on what really matters, like watching this video without having to multitask. Click the link in the description and create your free account now. So let's start with Tuesday, for example. This is going to be your first carousel of the week. And it can be a list, for example. You can create a post that states 5 tips for batch creating content, or 3 mistakes to avoid when creating a lot of content. You get what I'm saying now, right? Remember, quick always wins. So create something easy to swipe and designed to be shared. On Thursdays, we're gonna switch the vibe. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna create something that is relatable, a thought, a reminder, or even maybe a meme that is funny or relatable to that topic that you're covering that week. You can even create those type of like threads posts where you share your thread or tweet and you just put like a nice cover behind it. That's a good way to do it. This is the type of content that will make people say, oh my gosh, yes, I needed this today. And finally, on Saturday, you will post a brand or values carousel. For example, why I believe social media shouldn't burn you out, or my unpopular opinion about being burned out because of content creation. This is the type of content that you are creating to connect with your audience and to reach new people, because again, this is a controversial topic, or this is a very unpopular opinion. So it's something different that will attract new people who haven't discovered you yet. We're gonna talk about the part that makes your life way easier, and that is repurposing. And with this, I mean that you don't need 10 new content ideas every week to make your content be consistent. Sometimes you only need one good video and a smart way to use it or to repurpose it. So if we go back to our plan, you remember that we recorded a 60-second video for, I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday, I don't remember. So you're gonna use that video and you can cut it, clip it to something else, re-edit it, or even reuse it later with a fresh and new spin. And the best part comes when you realize you don't need to start from scratch every week. If you've already posted something that worked really well, use it again. There's literally no norm when it comes to social media. You can tweak the hook, update the caption, or even change the format. Content that worked once can work twice. And with Metricool, it's even easier. Inside your dashboard, you can check which posts perform best. You can also click on the reuse content option and let our AI help you to create a better caption or a completely new spin on the caption if you want to reformat that content. So you're not only saving time, but you're building momentum and you're building it faster. And one of the things that I really like about Metricool is that you don't have to track everything manually. You can schedule posts, see on which platform they're performing best, and double down on what's actually working. Inside your Metricool dashboard, you'll see exactly which platform, which format, and which day of the week perform better. And last but not least, the last piece of the puzzle. In order for all of this to work, you need to rest. And yes, I know this is not the kind of advice that you get from videos like this, but hear me out. You can have the best strategy, the clearest posting plan, the smartest tools, but if your brain is tired all of the time, none of it matters. You're a creator, and creator needs space and time to be creative. So there it is, your entire social media content plan in one drawing for only 5 hours a week. Let me know in the comments if you like this video, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you really enjoyed this content. See you later, Metricooler.